Caleb. Caleb. Do you want to be Sully?
Yeah.
You want to be Sully Monster?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you going to do?
Yeah.
Sully Monster. Where's Sully?
Oh.
Oh, you changed it. Don't touch, please. Mama will help you.
Sully. Sully.
Look. Let me show you Sully Monster. Did you touch this? Look.
Sully.
You want that one? You want to be Sully?
Yeah.
Say please, Mama.
Sully. Sully.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Sully. Say bye-bye, Sully.